joining us on the broadcast right now is former Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal. Sir, thank you very much for speaking with us here on Times Now. Many congratulations for BJP's wonderful performance in Assam, in West Bengal as well. Your first reaction to West Bengal specifically?
Yeah, it is a great victory, and particularly we are really thankful to the people of West Bengal. They have taken a very sensible decision this time, denouncing TMC for their misrule, corrupt practices, nepotism, and also for deteriorating law and order situation. And on the other hand, for the development and for the peace and tranquility in the state of West Bengal, they have reposed their faith in Narendra Modi's leadership. And that is why today this huge mandate have come in favor of Bharatiya Janata Party. And I am confident that this is the decision ultimately going to change the face of West Bengal tomorrow, because they are being one of the largest state in the country, most potential state in the country. Whatever they wanted to have their better growth, this has been denied by Mamata Banerjee's government for many years. But now they have decided a very sensibly to bring BJP into power, and particularly whatever they have seen in the last 11 years under the dynamic leadership of Honorable Prime Ministers, taking everybody along.
Mr. Sonowal, can we just...
Prime Minister has given
Mr. Sonowal, can we just shift focus to your state as well? Because, what the BJP is scoring in your state of Assam is a hat trick. What do you think? How do you think the BJP has managed that? Because when you ask the Congress, they say, ye to sab polarization ka rajniti inka chala hai. Hindu Musalman ki aur kuch nahi.
This is an honest service to the people of Assam. Because whatever we did in the last 11 years under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister, and particularly whatever scheme, whatever program has been taken up for the speedy growth of the state of Assam, that is all being fulfilled effectively. As a result, every citizen living in Assam, they got justice out of it and ultimately got an opportunity to shape up their future tomorrow. So I believe it is because of good service to the people of Assam. And as you know, Assam have different kind of problems, particularly the presence of large number of illegal migrants. So BJP, as promised in the manifesto, have taken very strong stand against illegal migrants, particularly in the eviction drive, and which has resulted creating space for the local people, indigenous people, and ultimately which has particularly created confidence in the mindset of the people of Assam, particularly Assamese people. And as a result, they got the protection, safeguard for their right, and as well as their identity, culture, language, heritage, everything.
Right.
So I believe that is the transformation Honorable Prime Minister has brought in the last 11 years. And that is the reason why people of Assam wholeheartedly given huge mandate to BJP and its alliance to form the government for the third consecutive time.
All right. Mr. Sonowal, how will you like to respond to the performance of the Congress party? Gaurav Gogoi also lost in his debut in assembly elections from Jorhat. What does it say about the Congress party going ahead?
Right from the beginning, because I have always been when the respected media person questioned me, asked me about their future, then I have categorically said that there is no future for Congress and its allies in Assam. Because Congress, in their 55 years of rule in Assam, whatever misdeed they have committed, and particularly whatever injustice they have given to the people of Assam, that is why people of Assam will never forget. Because it is Congress who has brought illegal migrants from Bangladesh and given them illegal settlement just to create vote banks. So they have always been known as the savior of the illegal migrant, just the illegal migrant, not for the people of Assam and the bona fide Indian citizen. So that is why they have been denounced Now there will be no future for Congress and its allies, and it is only BJP and its allies for their good work, for their committed service, and for good governance, for justice to everybody. And that's all we have been creating an environment of democracy where people could live with a dignified life and also carry forward their development agenda with the help of the double engine government. That's all.
Right. And Mr. Sonowal, one last question before we let you go. You know, this election has also brought out another story. It has also given us a sense of what is going to be the future of the opposition. Two regional satraps have been defeated. What does it mean for the opposition going ahead? I'm talking about DMK in Tamil Nadu and TMC in West Bengal.
Look, it is very clear that opposition all the time trying to make a situation of unrest in the nation. They do not propagate for developmental programs or developmental works. They have no guts to appreciate whatever good service Honorable Prime Minister has rendered to the people of the country in the last 11 years. Because that positive mindset is totally missing in the mindset of the opposition. That is why people nowadays, in the 21st century, everybody, particularly the Gen Z and all others, they prefer development, they prefer growth. They do not want negativity to grow.
Okay.
That is the reason why this opposition has been totally denounced. उनका कोई फ्यूचर नहीं रहा अभी. मैंने शुरुआत से बोलते आया हूँ.
अरे मिस्टर सोनवाल, अभी तो
अगर
कांग्रेस केरला जीत गया, आप बोल रहे हो फ्यूचर नहीं है.
लेकिन वो नकारात्मक बने, इसके लिए जनता के दिल में उनके लिए कोई जगह नहीं.
नहीं मिस्टर सोनवाल, यू आर बीइंग अनफेयर. अभी तो कांग्रेस जीत गया केरला एंड यू आर सेइंग उनका फ्यूचर ही नहीं है ऑपोजिशन का. ये तो गलत है.
अरे आप, मैं तो असम के बारे में बोल रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
हाँ, ये सुनिए, एक बात स्पष्ट है.
हाँ.
असम में कांग्रेस ने 55 साल राज किया था. 55 साल. आज उनकी हालत क्यों ऐसा हुई? इसको आपको देखना होगा. You make an impartial assessment. Why Congress is losing their ground?
Okay.
What is the crime they have committed against the people of Assam?
Okay. Mr.
Other hand, Honorable Prime Minister always been advocating, always been giving priority for the development program, and taking everybody along. Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikas. This mindset should be there. उनका पास वो सकारात्मक सोच नहीं है, नकारात्मक है. हर पल घृणा, कपट, अहम, दुश्मनी, इन विषयों को बढ़ावा देने के लिए कांग्रेस और विरोधी काम करते हैं.
Okay.
इसके लिए जनता उनके पक्ष नहीं दे सकती.
All right, Mr. Sonowal, we'll leave it there for the moment. Thank you very much for joining us on what truly is a fabulous day for the BJP. Out of 5, winning 3, and of course winning your state of Assam as well for a third time. The numbers are, I think, out. Hina, you can perhaps take our viewers through them. Thank you, Mr. Sonowal.
That's right.